some respect on this Pisces, honey. Shut up. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another episode. I'm just talking. No, you just talk and talk. Just be talking in your head. Welcome back, y'all. Today, dang, is that the line for the food? That's a long line. Should I hop in the line? Them a lot of people. Them a lot of folks. They be having that much stuff. 3 lines is ridiculous. No, they still ain't started yet, don't look like. But anyways, y'all, so just left Cornerstone with my grandma and my uncle. We low-key kicking off our birthday month. Even though it ain't even time yet. We're trying to let y'all finish, but it's really time for the Pisces. And I'm only saying that because my wife had the nerve to say that just because it snowed in Mississippi, when it normally don't snow, that there was a Gemini thing. And I really had to disagree with her because, like, put some respect on this Pisces, honey. Like, I'm turning I'm turning 30, y'all. You don't look like it. Y'all look at me real good. Like, I know I look good, but I don't think it gave 30, y'all. I don't know. I don't think it ever gave 30. Maybe my 20s, yes, but my 30s, I don't think so. But anyway, y'all, we're about to see. I'm trying to get Osby Valentine stuff together because we literally got until next week. Like, Valentine's Day is next Friday. And so this year, last year, well, let me not lie, because most of the time, like, I just love playing and stuff. Like, I love to be the one that playing everything. So most of the stuff that y'all see us do, like, I'm the one that playing it because that's what I love to do. And she just sit back and let me have my way. And she ain't wrong. She's never wrong for that. But this year I was like, you know what? Maybe I just need to calm down a lot of times, because she put me in my place and I couldn't even be mad at her. She said, like, I can't even do nothing for you for real because you always be planning everything. She's like, I can't surprise you with nothing because you want to do everything. So, baby, you ain't got to tell me number one time. And guess what? You're planning it now. Okay? Titi gonna sit back and relax, and you tell me what I need to put on, if I need to be comfortable, if I need to be cute, and we're gonna go with that. So, I don't know what we got planned for next Friday. I need to ask her what I need to be finding to wear, though. So that's that. But like I said, I'm finna go and get a few things for her gift. Not doing too much, like, baby, let me over. Not doing too much. It's Valentine's Day. Like, I love her every day. We do the most for her every single day. Trust and believe me. Anything I do is a gift, okay? I'm the gift, okay? Let me stop playing. But nah, for real. I'm gonna do her a nice little 1-2 basket. And of course I'm gonna show it to y'all. Come on, baby. Of course I'm gonna show y'all the basket I decided to do. But I can't show everything. I'm gonna have to block the stuff out because she do watch the videos. And I don't need her being nosy and all in the business. You get what I'm saying? Should I try it? So if y'all feel like she watching the video or whatever, or if y'all see her in the comments or anything, like, get on her head and tell her, like, you know you're not supposed to be watching. Like, mind your business. But anywho, y'all, like I said, I'm finna run in. I'm finna run in somewhere. Can't even say where I'm finna run into. I'm trying to figure out what I need, y'all. So just stay tuned, people. Oh, I just thought of something. Y'all, so far no look. Like, bruh, our stores low-key suck a little bit. Sometimes you can find something good, sometimes you can't. But oh, let's get into the outfit. Put the little arm purse, little corn purse on the shoulder. I might take some pictures. This is really why I put it back on. Was that food? And I had a piece of fish hanging on me. This the next day. Dang. That's kind of crazy. Y'all, I ended up taking my hair down. I've been looking at some pictures lately, y'all, and I just missed my fro, so I took my hair down. Nothing too crazy. But anywho, y'all, so, what was I about to say? I'm finna go on all of y'all. So, as y'all know, the Super Bowl coming up Sunday. If y'all don't know, because everybody probably don't know. Everybody probably don't know. Super Bowl coming up Sunday, y'all. Like I said. Excuse me. So, at first, the plan was to barbecue and stuff. But, I mean, I don't know. I told my woman I done changed the menu like 3 times. I told her let's just do a big old pot of trash. Well, not too big, because I mean it's just us. So we just gonna do a pot of trash, y'all. And yeah. So I gotta get the stuff for the trash. I gotta get potatoes, corn. We're gonna put deer sausage in ours. So we're gonna eat that. Potatoes, corn. Got the sausage. And I gotta go and find some turkey necks. So that's the mission right now. Trying to get this together. Oh, and I know I said earlier on the other part of this video that I was going to go get her stuff for Valentine's Day. I still haven't did it, y'all. So that's why y'all haven't seen anything yet. Because I started going to get the stuff, and then I was like, well, I could wait, because today she got to get a haircut. And then y'all can find it. I ain't even going to talk about it. Y'all going to see. She claims she don't want to be on camera yet, but we'll see, y'all. Maybe I can sneak a little 1-2 in. But some people that I already saw her, they know what I'm talking about. Dang, y'all going to hit the button. But other people, y'all, social media don't know yet. And that's how you know she really don't be on social media. Well, if she would have showed it by now. But anywho, y'all, talking too much. Knowing I got 1,000 things to do today before she get off. Oh, and she got to work the weekend too, so I'm like, I don't want her to be too tired. She already been tired all week. So I'm just like, we might as well not even grill and stuff and just wait on it. Maybe next weekend, so we'll know, because the baby party next weekend. My best friend baby party next weekend, so we can't do next weekend. But I mean, we could just pick a day to randomly barbecue. Like, ain't nothing to fire that little grill up now. Hold up, stand y'all up right there for right now. But yeah, it ain't nothing to cut the grill on, so ain't that big of a deal. So we'll do that another day. I think I would just want to do the trash. I think I'm going to do a little food beforehand or whatever, so we won't be hungry. Because the Super Bowl don't come on till like 5:30. So I'm going to figure out what little food we're going to do besides that. And we're going to let it be that, y'all. We're just going to roll with it. So yes, y'all, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn your post notifications on this video, y'all. Shy Tribe, I need y'all to tune in. A lot of y'all don't have y'all post notifications on. I don't like that, because when I be uploading, the views be a little, I mean, y'all get that, you get what I'm saying, but it be like a little teeter-totter when y'all get that. It be like I'm gonna get there. So yeah, my plan is to start an actual schedule for when I post. So what I'm thinking is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Oh, they finna hit that car. they hit their car? I hope not. The way they bagging that. But anywho, y'all. So yes, y'all. I want to post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then throw in like a little bonus video or something like on the Sunday, because I think a lot of people watch on Sundays too. Saturday or Sunday. Y'all comment down below though. How would that sound? Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then a bonus video on Saturday or Sunday. Let me know. Comment down below what days y'all be watching. I'm trying to figure that. Let's go. All right, y'all. We're back at the house for right now. I think we're good now. Okay, so I was at Aldi, and y'all, I've been looking for these for the longest. When I tell y'all, I have been looking and looking. I done had people look on okay, so originally, because I'm gonna start there. So originally, so me and Oz, we watch YouTube as well. We be on YouTube, we watch YouTube. So we was watching this video of this guy. He was going camping or whatever, and he had one of these, but he had like the he had a different version of it. He was like in the pack by itself. I'm gonna try and find a picture of it and post it on here. So he had that one. I'm like, oh my gosh, that looks so good. And I love purple carrots anyways, y'all. Like, I love the purple carrots. I love the sweet potato. And the sweet potato, I really like them. So I had been looking for these for the longest, and like for months, since last year, y'all. So I couldn't find them, whatever. Blah blah blah. We done found them. I'm ready to try it. That's what the box look like. Oh, these was at Aldi as well. This look like if y'all haven't had them before. Alright, let's try it. God dang. Dang. They put on here. Open up. Two. Golly. Okay, there we go. It's cold. Be having a little white powder on it too, y'all. Let's see. It's weird, y'all. Like, it's not nasty, but it's not nasty, y'all, but it's, I guess it's just different, period. It's so weird. Ice cream, okay, so. Because if you don't stand here and read what you're eating on, it's yummy. It's alright though. I eat them. I'm gonna let hopefully I can get my sister to come over here and try one. Or I might go to the house. That way my mom can try one. And my niece not gonna try one. At least the oldest one. That Mora, she might try one. I gotta get her tomorrow, so I might let her try one. Well, I'm gonna let her try one, y'all. So I'm gonna record her trying it. I'm gonna let her tell y'all how she like it. Cause for the most part, she eats stuff. She eat everything. Like the stuff I would think the kids wouldn't eat, they be eating. Like my niece eats salads, and then when she eat her salad, she put tomatoes and cucumbers. And everybody sure don't eat salads, man. I said okay. My sister got her eating on a little salad. But anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna get my mama to try one, Angel to try one, and I'ma see if my daddy'll try it. We'll see. I'm mad though. Well, I need to call her. I need to call my little sister and see if she still has some Dubai chocolate. Y'all, she let me and Osby try some last weekend. When I tell you that chocolate is so good, like I ain't never had no chocolate like that before, obviously. But it's so good, y'all. It's so good. 140. Okay, we need to head out the door. I will see y'all when Osby get in the car and we're headed to her haircut appointment. So I'm gonna go to the barber shop and then I can show y'all hair. Maybe. Let's not get too happy yet. Okay, let's not get too happy. Gripping all on my head. All right. Ooh, you said turn the other way. All right now.
Try what thing?
She's gonna try, you guys.
What are you talking about? You got that all in my face. What is that?
The ube.
Dang, Jesus.
Try it and rate it 1 through 10.
For?
Yes.
That's weird.
Well, you notice how the mochi be looking. That's what it look like, y'all. I know I showed y'all earlier. All right.
Is it really cold?
Yeah, it's really cold. It's like ice cream.
Sweet ice.
Might have to eat it like you don't have no tea. Because you don't like to bite ice cream. Dramatic. You ain't tasting nothing yet. Stop lying. She lying, y'all. She ain't tasted nothing yet. Oh, no, she did. She is on the inside of it. Get a job. What are you doing? Why did you put that back? Which one was it did you put back, man?
It's in the top. It's in the top.
Oh my God, she wasted my stove.
It's not nasty.
But why you put it back?
It's not for me.
Dude, you got the white stuff all up there.
Well, you the one got this powdery stuff all over on you, but it's not for me.
My goodness. Okay, Shy Trap. So, I forgot to come back on here and close out the video last night. So, we're going to close out this part of the video. I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do for Osby for Valentine's Day, obviously, when it's time. I don't want to show y'all just yet because she be peeping stuff. And I don't need her to peep nothing right now. Because she want to do all these little surprises and stuff. So guess what? I'm going to do the same thing, okay? So we'll show y'all what she got when the time is here. It is Super Bowl Sunday. So y'all comment down below who y'all going for the Super Bowl. Me personally, I'm just going to watch the game. I'm going to watch the halftime. I'm going to watch the whatever commercials they got going on. I'm just here for the fun, okay? And the food because we cooking, obviously. So yes, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. And stay tuned for the next video because it's Super Bowl Sunday. I can break you off, and you'll get what you